Uh-oh. Who's gonna win? Oh, Sheldon won. Kind of. Spart. Sheldon's got the moves.
You can fit under Spartacus.
Yeah. Spart's holding back a little bit.
Yeah, he plays harder than us.
Yeah. Do you think Spart's letting him win?
Yeah, he's probably not playing super. He's not doing his growl sound either. Can we try to get it?
Oops, Spart won one. Oh, you did so good. You did so good. Oh, Spart wants to play some more. You did so good. Hi, you sweetie. You're being sweet, huh? Yeah. Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Got it. Sit. Sit. Spartacus. Sit. Good boy.